Santolan guys. Alright, thank God it's Friday. Alright. EG. Alright. Hello, office space po rin. Yan, anong Bonnie Serrano. Alright. At baka may gustong magka-about pa ng signage. Ito naman yan. Along Santolan din after ng 20 out. Yan ang signage maker. Yan, dito yung Santolan. Bilang Santolan Hardware. Alright, Bonnie Serrano guys. Santolan Structure. Ayan. Shoutout sa lahat ng subscriber natin, mga Balikatan Boys. Alright, shoutout sa inyo. Ayan. Shoutout kay Erap. Alright, Joseph ng Solid Bulacan. Alright.